What's going on, man? I'm gonna wait till a couple people get in here, get this thing started. Q&A, IOD Squad Q&A. If you got any questions, about the platform, about courses, about my platform, about courses, about investing, stock, anything we answer, man, we try to answer. First, just get y'all guys going, man. Get y'all guys going and changing that mindset of the way we use money, the way we utilize money, and things we do with money. And to start using it as a tool. What's good? So we can start off, man. I mean, we can start off with P Hill. What's good, bro? We can start off with questions. Anybody got any questions they would like? Um, they need answered. I'm here for you, dog. Anybody got any questions they need answered? I'm here for you. I really am. Let's see. Yo, what's going on, Ray Hill? What's good? Ray, you the one you drive trucks, right, Ray? You truck driver, ain't you? Look at that typing, that's bad. So yeah, for anybody in here who brought anybody who invited somebody to come in here, um, and they're not part of they're not a part of IOD Squad Investor Die. This is how you join right here. Peace. Got it. You're gonna pin that link right there. Basically, Investor Die Squad. I mean, for the people who already know what it is, you know what it is. Basically, what it is we just show you what we invest. Show you what we invest in, and you could copy it if you want to. Basically, that's what it is. Oh, Ray, that ain't true. That drive trucks. My bad. I'm off, bro. Darn. P Hill said question. So P Hill got a question. Understand, man. No question is a dumb question, dog. No question is a dumb question. There's people in here that's gonna watch this later, watching it now. They want to know the same thing you asking. So y'all go ahead, ask away, and answer them the best way I can. P Hill said, do you use Webull, hold on to crypto, or another place like Coinbase or something? I have crypto.com. I think that's in the start here. The link to get crypto.com. I think there we finish. I have crypto.com and I have Webull. Let me see how the best way I can explain this. It's the best way. Does Webull charge for it? Can you withdraw Bitcoin? Let's see. Should I buy crypto on Webull? Let's see. Unlike Webull, Coinbase is a crypto-only exchange. It is one of the most popular platforms in the United States, and it has massive growth over the past 2 years. Coinbase users can purchase crypto assets and transfer their coins from platform to third-party wallets or cold storage options. Coinbase users can benefit from a great app and UX, crypto rewards and skating. The choice between over 50 different crypto assets. Oh, this might be old. Webull versus Coinbase. Webull versus Binance. Binance currently the world's most popular exchange by daily trade. These Coinbase and Binance, other places you can buy crypto. We use day trade. See, on Webull, you're just buying shares of the crypto. You can't trade it. You can't trade. You can't trade it. Put it in your wallet and do things of that nature. You can't trade it. Like it's not the same process if you were to go on crypto.com or Coinbase. Like if you got to buy Ethereum, I think you can go from Bitcoin to Ethereum, but you can't go from Ethereum to SHIB. Can you go from Ethereum to SHIB? Like it's a different process when you're on Coinbase or Binance or Crypto.com than it is on Webull. Webull, I think you're just basically you've been buying shares of the coin, basically. That's how I see it. That's how I see it. I've brought on Crypto.com. It's a different process. You know what I'm saying? It's a different process. You got the wallet, you got the address, you got to do all of that. But your question was, I don't even know if I answered your question, dog. You use Webull to hold crypto another place? Yes. I have some Ethereum on Webull. Because at the end of the day, they're all instruments you're trying to make money. Period. They're all instruments you're trying to make money. If the hit the fan, you having your crypto in Webull wouldn't make you as safe if you had it in a ledger or if you had it in Binance or something like that. But yes, I have a lot of ADA on Webull. I have a lot of Ethereum on Webull. I have money in I have assets in different places. I have in different. Don't get stuck on one thing. It's not like, hey man, this is my favorite shoes. Just look at it all as assets, and we're trying to make them go from one price and sell them at a higher price. That's it. We don't care what the car is. We're just trying to get there. So okay, so we got another question. So if you and I need to get in one of the bigger stocks. So if I want to get into one of the bigger stocks, do I need to buy a total amount of the stock or can I get a percentage? Example, Netflix is 665. Can I only buy that price or can I jump in at 300? You can do that with the crypto on Webull and Robinhood. You can't do that. You can't do that on no. You have to buy a share. Make it that simple. On Webull, Robinhood, E-Trade, things of that nature, you gotta have to at least buy one share when you're talking about stocks. With Bitcoin, on Webull and things of that nature, is different. On your Cash App, you can basically invest in Bitcoin, and then you can put $100, and when Bitcoin goes up, your $100 go up. So if you want to buy a stock of Tesla, $900 for one. You feel me? It's something you buy $900, you buy one. It's something long term. So yeah, you can't you can't buy portions of stocks. Not on anything that I've dealt with. Webull, I've had E-Trade, I've had TD Ameritrade. When you're talking about stocks, you have to at least buy one. So Apple's $150, you got to buy one $150. That's why a lot of things we get in. We know you guys are beginning investors. We know some of you aren't rich. You know what I'm saying? Some of you guys do have money. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of times we try to get in, find things that are lower, that are just starting. SOS, $2, can $9. The list goes on and on and on. You know what I'm saying? But like Shiba Inu, we talk about Shiba Inu. That's 0.00003879. It's not even. It's not even close to a penny yet. It's not even close to a penny yet. Real talk. I'll pull that in here. I put in the IOD squad. If you're just getting here, man, shout out to you. This question. I'm trying to do this Q&A every Sunday. Every Sunday, I'm gonna try to do this Q&A. Get out here and talk to the people in the group, or if they can bring relatives or whoever else that's interested in investing. I just know a lot of people don't know how to do it. And I'm no financial advisor. Let's get that out the way. I'm not your financial advisor, anything of that nature. I just show you what I do. I tell you what I do. And it's up to you to do your own due diligence and just you can copy what I do or make a decision not to. So put in the IOD squad, we were talking, and I was saying basically good places to get in, to buy, to get in the SHIB after it got way up here. I think way up here at 44, 00044. One of the places was like here. It was here. It was 0034. It touched there. And one of the places was down here. Actually, I think we were up here, 03460, but it touched all the way down to 3291. And then in that same hour, quick lesson. Each wick is an hour because I'm in the hour time frame. So in this same hour, it's touched this low. So you had to be watching this or have an alert set or something of that nature. It touched here, 3286, but it closed here, 3763. That's why you get that long wick. So for some reason it touched way down here. Maybe a big wig or somebody took some money out and it touched way down here. But the buying power pushed it back up to here and it closed here. But those were good places to get in. When things are like this, the name of the game is to buy things at a good price. It's the name of the game. Get in at a good price. Be patient. So SHIB this week, SHIB is up 500%. It's up 500% in the last 3 months. It's up. It has to be at least 100% in the last day. At least. Make me laugh. It was up 70% last night. I was watching it with one eye. I think it was up 70%. So if you're just getting in here, man, we're in here. Dogecoin is up to 27 cents. We're in here for you guys to ask questions. I don't know if y'all can see this, but see, this is crypto.com. You see all those altcoins. SHIB isn't the only one. SHIB is the one getting all the flat, all the pub and the marketing now. Elon Musk is behind it, but there's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. SHIB on this list is the cheapest one. You have some 30 cent. You have $1.73. We have some 20 Deuce coin 27 cents. I see I'm at a true cost for USD, Euro, GPD. So yeah, there's a lot of them, bro. It's not. Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot. There's a lot. And SHIB, I bought for the first time back in May. I think I bought 1 million of them. Then I started adding in different places. Some on here, some in Weeble. But I bought it back in May, and I just been sitting on it. That's the level of patience that it takes. So you can't be doing this with your car payment. You can't. It's not gonna work. You cannot be doing it with your car payment because you're gonna have to take car payment out, and now it's you versus time. I brought SHIB back in May, and it was just sitting there. I think it's up. I'm gonna tell you how much my SHIB is up. What percentage? Let's see. Maybe it was how many months? April. Like 6-7 months ago. Up like 400%. It's up like 400%. So know what that mean? I know a lot of y'all not good with percentages. It's up like 400%. So that means that if you had $100 in there, today it'll be $400. If you had $10,000, today it'll be $40,000. Roughly, for the most part. We're gonna try to do this every Sunday, bro. Q&A, so you guys get your question out. About anything, about IOD Squad, about the Discord, about things, plays we had last week. I know at the end of the week we got back in SOS, and I think SOS is up now. But there'll always be another play. That's one thing I never stress. There'll always be another play, and we will always. You're going to lose some. The object is to win more and win at a higher rate. First take profit, second take profit. That's the object. You're going to lose some. Last week we had SOS stop out last week, but if I was to check my book and see my win-loss record, I don't know. I think it's like 13-3 or 4, something like that. And that's the name of the game. 10%, 20%. Oh, I lost 10. You get 20 back. Win more than you lose. That's it. Last week, DWAC with Trump and running up 300%, 400%, whatever that thing ran up. See, that's not the name of the game. That's not the game that's not a game you can rely on and play. If you're here for it, things are like that are going to happen. Anybody, for the ones who just came in, y'all come on in, man, have a seat. Get your old church fan. Know what I'm saying? Get kind of hot in here. If you got any questions, put them in the comment section. If you got any questions, put them in the comment section. If you want to know what IOD Squad is, Invest or Die, basically we created a platform where you can come see what we invest in. We tell you what the play is. We tell you what we're doing. And sometimes we even put our receipts in there so you can see it. We brought it and you invest in it. As far as the FRS, okay, the FRS. So the FRS, Florida Retirement System, that's what I had, and that's what I had and started investing with. Made a lot of money with the Florida Retirement System. But it seems as if the system is going to all investing. So I think there's going to be no retirement sooner or later. They're basically saying, hey, put your money in investment. I was there for 13 years. What they don't say is, hey, if you or you know somebody that knows how to invest your money, you can invest yourself and get out of here in 7 years. They don't say that. I never heard 13 years. I never heard them say it. Everybody walk around blind, don't know what to do with their money, even afraid to touch their money. You know what I'm saying? We're talking about the Florida retirement system. Anytime you retire and you cash out, you got 3 months before you can get your money. And I've told this story numerous times. In that 3 months, you can invest your money. What I did was a mentor of mine and me put it in a self-brokerage account, and we started investing it. We doubled in 3 months. We doubled what we had. In 3 months, we doubled it. Then I had to ask the question to myself, well, if I had 140,000 in 13 years, how did I double it in 3 months? But we were investing it, what Elon Musk talking about. But we weren't doing the investing ourselves. We had it in the market. It was the middle of COVID, so things were going down. A lot of the medical stuff was going up. And we doubled the money in the retirement. So if you're sitting in the Florida, the FRS retirement, and you can put your money in the investment, that is the quickest way for you to retire out of there. That's the best way for you to make money. You just need somebody that could help you, or you sit down and learn on your own. And there's simple methods you could take, man. Simple methods. I've had conversations with people at parties. Got a guy, I had a conversation with him at a party. He's a CEO. Called me the other day, like, hey, man, look, man, my portfolio up almost 900,000 or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I said, how did it happen? He said, you? I said, what you mean? He said, when we was talking at the party, you know what I'm saying? The stuff you were saying made sense. So I just did it. I was like, oh, okay. But if you're in the FRS, the best bet for you be an investment. Find somebody to help you invest, or put your money in things, 2 or 3 things that you use around the house, that you know ain't going anywhere, and just sit. That's one of the safest ways to do it. Trucker, what's good, bro? That's one of the safer ways to do it. Yeah, Trucker was texting me the other night, man. My Instagram, I don't know what happened to my Instagram on DM Trucker the other night. But we own that shirt, man. We're gonna get that out to you. Shoot the address again, man. Make sure it ain't my DM didn't erase it. Shoot that to me right now. What are my thoughts on CLF? That is a question, huh? So I guess I gotta go try to answer that. CLF. Let's see. CLF. Okay, so will you tell me this? Tell me why did you ask me about CLF? What is it that you see? What was your reason for asking me about CLF? What is it that you see? And I'll tell you what I think and what I think and what I see. CLF. We got a company, CLF. Let's see. So that's the chart on the screen. CLF. Cleveland Cliffs, formerly Cleveland Natural Resources, a Cleveland, Ohio-based company. that specialize on like nothing out of Ohio after Ohio State books. That specializes in mining, beneficiation, pedalizing of iron or ore, as well as steel making, including stamping and tooling. Its largest flat roll steel producer. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about CLF. Let me see what your answer is. Bet that up. Yeah, Ray. So why did you ask me about CLF? Just curious. I'm just curious. Like, where did that come from? Let's see. It's $23.85. I think the highest it ever been was it's approaching an all time high. The highest it ever been was like $26. Um, so all on the 10 on the 20th, thinking about buying stock. Cleveland Cliff shares rise after third quarter beat steel price outlook. Cleveland Cliff spends 45 million on bonuses for COVID shots. They put a lot of news on October the 22nd, bro. Good lord. Earnings, revenues, top estimates. Their earnings came out and the revenue was good. Now looking at the chart, let me see. About a week ago, I saw the price was low, but within the last few days, it increasingly going up. There's up and down, but I missed the low price, and I read that isn't a huge risk. So I'm thinking that it may be huge jump soon, but I'm rookie in this. Okay, so right, bro. I mean, I've been there, bro. I've been there, I've been there. So let's take a look at it. So CLF, this is a day chart. So each week equals a day. Give me a thumbs up if y'all can see this. Each week equals a day. Give me a thumbs up if y'all can see this. See them Dolphins play today, man. That wasn't Tua fault today either, man. Y'all tripping. Okay, y'all got me. Okay, cool. So the chart. Okay, so the high is 26. Let's look at the 52-week range. Okay, so there's a few things. There's a few things going on right now. The name of the game is to buy stuff low and sell it high. That's the name of the game. The only way you do that is with patience. That's the only way you can do that. So one of the hardest things for me to do was to grasp. I can say that all day long. Buy low, I'm gonna buy low and I'm gonna sell high. I can say that all day long. But it was hard for me to grasp the fact that when things are up, it's not bad, but you shouldn't be touching it. If you got money in it, the only thing you should be doing is taking some of the money out to take profit. That's all you should be doing when something is up. This thing is up. It's a few things that's telling you it's up. And I hope y'all can see this. One, this line out here, the RSI. The RSI is around 65. It's around 65. So RSI get around 70, 75, start getting up there, that means it's time for the stock to come down. That means the relative strength. I mean it's too high. It's hot. it's hot. It has to breathe. It's time to come back down. The RSI, the relative strength index, and I think this definition is on the platform, is a technical indicator used in the analysis of financial markets. It is intended to chart the current and historical strength or weakness of a stock or market based on the closing price of a recent trading period. The indicator should not be confused with relative strength. It's the relative strength index. So a few things I see. The RSI 65 is getting up there. You can see it's pointing up. The MACD crossed over October 21st. All that news came out on October 22nd. And that, see, the MACD crossed over right here. When the orange is on top, that means it's in the downtrend. When it cross over, that means the trend is about to change. So it crossed over on the 21st. That's when you probably should have got in there. 21st at this price, $19. That would have been a good price to get in at. $19, you could have been wrote the thing up 23, but you didn't. So your question is this a good price to get in at? In one day, it went from $22 to $23. Went up almost $1.50 to $2. It's too high right now. It's too high. You need to, I would wait, you know what I'm saying? I would wait until it dropped back down to maybe a support. Let me see where we got a support at. Maybe even lower than that, bro. Like, yeah, if it gets back down to 19, definitely buy. You know what I'm saying? If it gets back down to 19, definitely buy. Or if it gets 22.19, that's another place to get in. Right now, I just think it's too hot. I think it's too hot, too high. You can be patient and get it at a better price. Now, I know how you're thinking because I used to think the same way. You're thinking it's going up. I get in. It's going to keep going up. But these things travel up and down. They don't, none of them travel straight up. So when you're looking at something, you got to be saying to yourself, it's going to come back down. And for the most part, you want to wait till it come back down. That's what you're trying to do. You're trying to get it when it's down, not when it's up. This thing is kind of running. It ran all Friday from all of that news. So it's kind of running. You want to buy things when they're down, when they hit their floor. Also, the last thing I'm gonna show you, the 52-week range. That means the lowest it's been was $7. That's what we wanted to get in there. We wanted to get in at $7. It's been $7.59. The highest it's been was $26.51. See that little bar at the bottom? Can y'all see that? We're gonna get a better system than this. The 52-week range. See that little bar right there at the bottom? See that black bar almost at the top? There's only one gray bar left. That means it's at the top or it's 52-week range. It's at the top. You want to buy things when they're at the bottom of the 52-week range. Basically, they ain't got nowhere to go up. You know what I'm saying? And that's just putting it in the best words I could put it in how I see the thing. It's at the top of the 52-week range. The MACD crossed over 2 days ago. The RSI, the 65, is getting there. It's getting hot. I would chill on it, bro. Get in it at a better price. Any more questions? Any more questions about the IOD Squad? How you get in? Y'all make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram, man. Monetize me. We're gonna start the IOD Squad Instagram also. If you need a one-on-one course, because we have the course started already. We're in week 2 of the 6-month course. That started already. I'm going to run another smaller one. So if you need to get in the course, you got to DM us. Text us 786-405-9499. Send us a text. If you need to get in the course, if you want to get so basically, I miss and I have to be patient and spin the block. Spin the block. What spin the block mean? Ray, where you from? That boy says spin the block. Okay, you didn't miss anything. Look, you didn't miss. Just gotta be patient. You got that part right. You didn't miss. You just gotta be patient. Look at the stop. Look at it. Let's look at it. You see how they travel up? That thing got up to $20, then right back down to $16, $15, just to go back up to $22 and right back down to $17. You want to buy when it's at $17. It goes up, down, up, and comes back to a support. You want to buy. It got up $24, then boom, all the way back down 19. Right now, you're trying to buy it at $23. You're trying to buy it at $24 right here on this side. And look, you're gonna buy it at 24, and then it's gonna go back down to 19. And then you're gonna be in a dilemma, you're gonna be afraid, and then that's how people lose money. Buy it so low that it can't go no lower. It's a t-shirt. Make that t-shirt, dog. It's a t-shirt. So we got any more questions? Stocks to watch this week, man. Snapchat dropped. It's gonna come back up. I mean, so it dropped. That's a good one to watch this week. I know y'all writing this down. Another good one to watch this week. Let's see. So we got Snapchat. I don't know why Snapchat failed last week. Maybe earnings came out. They keep proving to people they can't make money. So yeah, we got Snapchat. Of course, SHIB. We talked about SHIB. SHIB is on alert. It may get listed on Robinhood. If you get listed on Robinhood, bro, it may go up 300, 400%. Don't be greedy, man. If you're gonna get in something like that, that's like playing the lottery. Get your 20, 40, 50%, bro, and get out of there. Because when that thing turned back around, it's a bad feeling to be in a stock where you were up and your greed got you. Now you're in the negative. Horrible feeling, dog. Horrible feeling. So listen, no more questions in the comment section. So listen, man, if y'all got any more questions, that's it. I'm gonna get up out of here. Yeah, so Snap. Another one watching BBIG. Snap, BBIG. Two stocks you're watching this week. Also watching SHIB. Bitcoin touched the all-time high last week. So crypto is really hot right now. Period. Period. I know y'all don't like them little girls. Before we get out of here, the top 10 cryptos. Bitcoin number one, then Ethereum, then Cardano. Cardano only worth $2. Then Tether. Tether is worth $1. Tether is a cryptocurrency that is USD paid, otherwise known as a stable coin, backed 100% by actual assets in the Tether platform reserve account. Therefore, each unit, blah, 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 blah. Tether. Tether coming in at number 5. Then you got Solana, $200 for stuff Solana. Then XRP. XRP came a long way, man, after all that BS with the legal system. Then you got Polkadot, Polkadot, Polkadot. And Dogecoin number 9, the USD coin is $1.10. Dogecoin is up to 27 cents. So, man, if y'all don't have any more questions, man, I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm D. Listen, man, anything you do with your money is on you. I'm just here to show you what we do. And it should help you. I'm out.